Naka-receive ako ng email from Cebu Pacific na yung flight ko daw ay cancelled. Due to airline schedule adjustments, we have taken the necessary step to rebook you to the next available flight. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. So, ibig sabihin, yung binook ko last time sa Cebu Pacific ay na-cancelled. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan ko i-rebook. So, sa video na ito, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-rebook kung sakaling cancelled yung flight mo sa may Cebu Pacific. So, once na maka-receive kayo ng email na ganito, basahin nyo lang ng mabuti, then makikita natin dito yung original flight schedule. So, ang schedule ko dapat is October 2, 2023, 4:50 AM. Then, yung arrival ko is 6:15 AM. At new flight schedule nakalagay dito, October 2, 9:15 AM. Then, yung arrival ko ay 10:45 AM. Kumbaga, nausog lang siya ng oras. So, kung ayaw mo ng oras na ganyan, pwede natin yan baguhin. Kumbaga, i-rebook. So, ito yung sabi, if stated flight schedule does not work for you, we're giving you the flexibility to manage your booking via our website, mobile app, with the option provided below. So, pwede tayo mag-rebook ng flight for free up to 30 days before or after your original travel date. Should you prefer a travel date beyond this 30-day window, fare difference may apply. Instantly convert the value of your fare to travel fund, which you can use for future trips. Travel funds stored in the My Cebu Pacific account do not expire and are transferable. Next, request a refund of your fare. Processing time depends on your form of payment. So, yan yung tatlong option na pwede natin gawin. So, yung gagawin ko na lang is, i-rebook ko na yung flight, then iusog ko yung date ng schedule. So, paano siya gawin? Click mo lang yung manage booking, then ganito lalabas. So, sa manage booking, dito natin i-type ang ating details. Ilagay lang natin dito yung booking reference number. Tapos, ilagay mo lang yung last name or email address. Then, click mo lang continue as guest. Or pwede rin, continue as member kung sakaling member ka na or nakagawa ka na dito ng account. Next, ganito siya lalabas. Hi there, we have provided flexible option for your flights. We automatically move you to a new flight. You can confirm the new schedule or we can help you review your other options. So, i-click lang natin yung next. Ganito siya lalabas. Please confirm your new schedule or select a different option below. So, ayan, sa nakikita nyo sa pinakaunahan, may nakalagay dito na for Monday, October 2, move to new flight. So, magiging new flight siya. Ito yung schedule, 9:15 AM hanggang 10:45 AM. So, free rebooking po yan. So, kailangan lang natin i-confirm kung yan yung gusto nyong date. Pero, sa tingin ko, ayaw ko ng ganyang oras kasi nga, alanganin, since malayo yung naiya sa amin. So, papalitan ko siya ng oras at saka date. Pero kung okay lang sa iyo yung ganyang oras, scroll mo lang pababa at i-click yung confirm para yan na yung schedule mo. Since ayaw ko nyan, click na natin yung free rebooking para makapaghanap ako ng another schedule at preferred time. So ito lumabas. Nakalagay na dito yung select your new flight. Your original flight is 5J473 departing from Manila, October 2, 2023, 4:50 AM. Next na nakikita nyo, may nakalagay dito na departure date. Merong Sunday, October 1, October 2, October 3, yun yung Tuesday. Tapos merong arrow, i-click po natin yung arrow na yan para mag-move. Pero hindi ko na siya mapindot or mausog, siguro hanggang 3. Pero wait na lang natin yung loading na yan, baka merong mag-appear dito. So ayan, lumabas na yung loading. Then click lang natin yung arrow ulit, Wednesday, Thursday. Naging na siya, October 5. Then try ulit natin i-click para mag-move. So, pipiliin ko na date ay 7 na lang. Bali, Saturday po siya, October 7, 2023. So, ayan. Nag-display na yung 7. Then, scroll lang natin pababa. May nakalagay na dito yung Manila to Bacolod on October 7, 2023. Mag-select na tayo dito ng available time or preferred time mo kung anong oras ka babiyahe. So, ayan. May nakalagay dito 9:15, 10:45, 12:10. Tapos, kapag click natin yan, merong 12:10 tapos 13:35. Ibig sabihin, alas 12 ng tanghali yung alis, then yung dating is 1:00 ng hapon, 1:35. So yung travel time niya is 1 hour 25 minutes. Non-stop po yan, direct flight. So, tingin ko okay naman na yung alas 12 kasi nga, kapag alas 9 kasi, alanganin yung alis ko, kailangan gabi pa lang nasa ano ka na, naiya kasi nga malayo. So, kapag i-choose ko yung alas 12 ng tanghali, may oras naman, pwede ako makaalis ng madaling araw. So, ayan, select na lang natin yung alas 12 for October 7, Saturday, 2023. At yan yung button, click lang natin yung okay at ganito lumabas. So, ayan sa taas, nakalagay dito yung move to new flight. Yung new flight ko na is for October 7, Saturday. Yan na yung mababago sa schedule. Kasi nga, ayoko nung sinuggest ni Cebu Pacific na inurong yung oras. So, show journey details. So, yan lang nakalagay. Basahin nyo lang para hindi kayo magkamali. Yung flight number is 5J483. 1 hour and 25 minutes. Alis ko 12:10. Yung dating is 13:35. From Manila to Bacolod. So, kapag okay na sa tingin nyo, click na natin yung confirm. So, ayan, are you sure once you click confirm, all changes will become final. So, click na natin yung confirm. Since final na yan. At ganito lumabas, your selected option are now confirmed. We'll send you a summary of your selection to the email address registered to this booking. If you selected refund or convert to travel fund, note that the PH travel tax and or SEB travel sure can't be refunded via this website. So you need to contact Cebu Pacific for more assistance. So ayan na yung booking reference number ko, REHTFS. So enter natin yan for check-in kapag malapit na yung flight mo. So, ayun lang, ganun lang kadali kung paano mag-rebook na ating canceled flight from Cebu Pacific. Wait mo na lang din yung confirmation email once na confirmed na lahat at final na. Sa next video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-check-in online, kung paano mag-adds on or maglagay ng pagkain, or kung paano mag-advance order ng pagkain sa My Cebu Pacific. Kaya naman, hanggang dito na lamang yung vlog natin about sa kung paano mag-rebook sa My Cebu Pacific. Kung may mga katanungan ka, mag-comment ka lang po sa comment section ng video na ito at please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga about upload ko na video. And also, follow me sa Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.